Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AWS CloudFormation templates from Stack Exports step by step clearly. To download AWS CloudFormation templates from Stack Exports, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Next, navigate to the CloudFormation service in the console. In the CloudFormation dashboard, locate the Stacks option in the sidebar. Select the specific stack you want to download templates from. Once in the Stack Details view, find the Outputs tab. Here, you will see a list of exported values from the stack. Identify the export you wish to utilize. Copy the export value's name or ID for your reference. Now, open a new browser tab and go to the AWS CloudFormation Designer. In the Designer, look for the Create Stack option. Select with New Resources, Standard, from the drop-down menu. In the Stack Creation page, scroll down to the Specify Stack Details section. Paste the copied export value name or ID into the relevant field. Proceed to the next steps, configuring any necessary parameters as prompted. Once you've filled in the required information, review your stack configuration. When ready, click on the Create Stack button to initiate the download. The system will generate the CloudFormation template associated with your chosen export. You can view and download the generated template from the Stacks Template tab. Finally, save the template to your local machine for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.